In this video, I want to give you a couple tips for selling your house quickly. My name's Dustin with 6daycashbuyers.com, where we can buy your house in as little as 6 days for cash. Now, if you're looking to sell your house, there's a couple things that immediately boost the impression of your house. So remember, you have one chance to make a first impression, and if your property is a complete mess and you want to leave it a mess, that's up to you, and that's fine. But if you have a little bit of time, a little bit of elbow grease can go a long way. So if the lawns, these might sound like common sense things, but you'd be surprised how many people don't actually do it. So when you want someone walking up to your property, and if you want to sell it quickly for the best price you can get, just do the easiest things that can have the biggest impact, which is like cut the lawn, have your kids put their toys away so that potential buyers can come through and they can see the walls and things like that. If you have pets and there's a lot of dog hair around, you can clean that up. Or I'll never forget one time I went and I looked at a house, and the homeowner's house the dog of the homeowner had been sprayed by a skunk. And when we walked into the property, it was disgusting. Like you had to hold yourself back from puking. So if your dog stinks, keep it out of the house. Simple things like doing the dishes, just a quick tidy up. Within an hour of just doing some simple things around the house, you could add an extra $3, $4, $5, even $10,000 to that offer price. A lot of people don't do this. So just simple little tips like that will help you get your house sold if you're going to put it on the market or go traditional routes with real estate agents. Now, if you're not able to sell your property, or if you want to sell it super fast, as I mentioned, we are 6daycashbuyers.com, and we actually specialize in buying properties fast. So if you want to get out of your property fast, if you don't have time to clean it up or do anything, we buy houses in any condition, any location, and we can close with cash in 6 days or less if needed. Save yourself the closing fees, all that sort of stuff, the realtor commissions, and all of the things that go along with selling your property the traditional way. So if you want to sell and you want to sell quick, call us now. The number is here on the screen. There's a link on the website where you can get more details about us. And thanks a lot for watching. We'll continue to have more tips on selling